Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the U.S. Thanks for stopping into my YouTube channel today. I have this alternate for the Beary Comforting Paper Pumpkin Kit from December 2020. Let's get started. For this alternate for the Beary Comforting Paper Pumpkin Kit, we're going to use one of the Calypso Coral card bases from the kit, one of the rectangular die cuts that's been foiled, one of the circular die cuts with foiling, and then one of the cupcakes. Then I'm going to bring in my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and let's grab the plates. This machine is a great purchase to use with your paper pumpkin kits, and during celebration, during January and February, you can even earn a free celebration product with the purchase. So let's crank our largest stitched shape circle through the machine. And we'll put this out of the way and pop our circle out. There we go. And then I've got a piece of scrap paper here. And first we're going to stamp our sentiment using the Calypso Coral. And we're using Hooray from the Beary Comforting stamp set. And let's just give that a rub. And we'll set that out of the way. And then I've got the little bouquet stamp set. And inking that with the Calypso Coral as well. And the center of my flowers doesn't seem to be getting ink. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to move this up just off the top of the circle so that you get a greater spread of flowers that way. And then I'm going to turn this and we're going to repeat this. I'm kind of stamping at 3, 6, 9, and 12 as if you're doing a clock. Okay, and one more. Okay, let's put that aside and close up that Calypso Coral ink. And then I've got Pear Pizzazz ink and the little leafy looking stamp. Now I'm going to stamp off because my ink pad is very juicy. And I'm going to come around. Let me make sure I stamp off each time. Okay, and then I've got a little more gap than I'd like to have. So then I'm going to come in and just pick up this one large leaf and pop that in here and kind of fill some of that white space there. And we're going to turn and do that on each one of these. And in fact, we're going to pick up one of the small ones to go in here because that's a lot of white space there. Okay, come back to the large one here because I want lots of green there. Okay, and then just to make sure when we layer this up that we've got plenty of green, I'm just then going to come in here and not be particular about just adding another row of the leaves. So let's close up our ink and put this card together. So first we're going to bring our base in and give that a fold. And let me grab my bone folder here and give that a crease. And then I need my dimensionals. So, oops, sticking to my finger. Okay, and pull all these backing pieces off. And I'm turning this so that it's just not straight up and down with either the flowers or the leaves. Okay, and then I need dimensionals on the back of the foiled circle and dimensionals on my cupcake. And I'm going to need dimensionals on, I'm going to do a couple of them close together here. Okay, so before we go any further, I've got the Whisper White polka dot tool. Oops. Let's find the end of that in here. And we're going to take the tool and just do a quick little zigzag, figure eight, whatever you'd like to call it, back and forth, and give this a little angle cut to pretty up the end. And grab my glue dots, and let's pop 2 or 3 of those on here. Okay. Trying to make sure each one of those layers gets a glue dot. And we're just going to set this in here at a slight angle, and then put our die cut circle over the top. Let's move this out of the way. And then we want our cupcake. This card is quick and easy. Oops. And then let's do hooray here, our sentiment. And then I'm going to take my Take Your Pick tool and add some pearl basic jewels. You can find these in my store, and they're a great add-on to the Paper Pumpkin kits, as you get so many of them in one pack. They're perfect for being able to do lots and lots of cards. And let's add another couple down here. Okay, and there's our alternate for number 4, I believe, for the Beary Comforting Paper Pumpkin Kit. Don't forget to subscribe to the January kit by January 10th. You can find the link below to do that. Thanks for stopping in. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your card making friends, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye.